This is Officer Dan coming at you with another Gktech how-to. Today we're going to be installing the Gktech S13 180sx and 240sx Brake Master Cylinder Stopper. Now, this is a cheap way to get rid of firewall flex and improve your pedal feel. So let's go ahead and open up that box. First thing you're going to pull out is going to be the bracket itself, a set of mounting bolts, the washers, the adjustment rod, an Allen head stud, the lock nut, and the end plate. It's an easy install, so let's do it. First, pop out the grommets if they're still there. Go ahead and thread in the bolts, just finger tight. Put the other section of the bracket on, choose your rod length, and then thread the rod through. Thread the lock nut on, and then the end plate itself. Back it up till it's about finger tight, then tighten down all three of the bolts holding the bracket on. Now tighten down the adjustment rod, placing a small amount of pressure on the master cylinder itself. Thread down the locking nut and tighten that bad boy up. And that's it. Enjoy your less spongy brakes, care of Gktech.